Hey guys, I'm Alex Pierce from LightsailVR.com. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. The first thing you want to do in any Fusion project is go to right-click, Arrange Tools, and make sure that 2Grid is selected. This will keep everything nice and neat. If I want to put this footage on top of this footage, the way I do it, the way I remember how to do it, is I drag it above, just like you would a layer. So I want this footage on top and this one on bottom. And then I simply drag from the output to the output, making sure to go from top to bottom, foreground to the background. If I drag this over, now it makes this merge node. If I press 2, this is exactly what I want. You can also hover and it'll tell you the green one is foreground, the yellow one is background. If I want to add an effect, I'll do Control Space CC for color correction, and I'll just drag this to blue. If I want to add a mask so that only the color correction happens right here, I can do that by adding a polygon mask. So let me actually just disconnect that. I want to add that, I only want it to affect the color correction, so I'm going to make sure that the polygon mask is going to the color corrector node, output from the mask to the color corrector node. And now if I press 1 here, press 2 here, I can draw. Let me select the polygon, I can draw in here. And it's only going to affect the color correction in this square. If I use this same mask and instead of bringing it here, I bring it over to my input, basically what it's saying is only import what's inside of this mask. So if I drag this over, it's only going to input this part. So it only imports this and then it goes on through the pipe that way. Same thing with merge. So right now if I have, this is my color correction, this is how the merge looks. If I want the merge, if I only want this part of this merge, then that's why you would put it down here to say, I want you to merge this thing on top of this thing, and I want it to only happen within this shape. That's the basics of merging and masks in Fusion. It's fundamental for anything you're going to do with compositing, so hopefully these tips helped you. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.